In 2024, the allure of sun-kissed shores and azure waters remains undiminished. Yet the landscape of travel has evolved. With the global economy presenting new challenges and opportunities, savvy travelers are increasingly seeking ways to stretch their dollars further without compromising on the quality of their experiences. Affordable beach destinations are emerging as the beacon for those looking to indulge in coastal paradises without the hefty price tag. This guide aims to unveil some of the most breathtaking, budget-friendly beach locales around the globe, ensuring that your next vacation marries financial savvy with unforgettable adventures. Why choose affordable beach destinations? The quest for affordable beach destinations is not merely about saving money. It's about discovering the untapped potential of the world's coastlines. These lesser-known havens offer tranquility away from the bustling crowds, allowing travelers to immerse in the natural beauty and cultural richness of their surroundings. Opting for these destinations can lead to significant cost savings, not just in terms of accommodation and flights, but also in dining and activities. Moreover, it opens the door to exploring hidden gems, where the essence of discovery and the joy of experiencing unique cultures and landscapes are as rich as in any premium location. In 2024, choosing affordable beach destinations is a smart strategy that promises the best of both worlds, minimizing expenses while maximizing the richness of your travel experiences. Top affordable beach destinations for 2024 Asia. 1. Vietnam's Fuqua Island. Fuqua, a serene tropical haven, captivates travelers with its pristine white sandy beaches and the mesmerizing allure of its crystal-clear waters. Nestled in Vietnam's Gulf of Thailand, this island paradise beckons those in search of tranquility and untouched natural beauty. What sets Fuqua apart is its affordability, offering a chance to indulge in opulent accommodations and savor exquisite seafood without breaking the bank, a rare treat when compared to more renowned tourist hotspots. The island's low cost of living enhances appeal, making it a dream destination for budget-conscious travelers looking to experience a slice of paradise without compromising on comfort and culinary delights. Fuqua embodies the perfect blend of affordability and idyllic charm, ensuring an unforgettable escape in the lap of luxury. 2. India's Goa. Goa, a coastal paradise on India's southwestern shores, seamlessly combines Indian and Portuguese influences to create a truly distinctive cultural experience. Its stunning beaches, known for their golden sands and azure waters, beckon travelers seeking an affordable escape. Beyond the sun and surf, Goa boasts bustling markets where one can haggle for local crafts and spices, as well as explore historic forts that narrate tales of colonial rule. The state's affordable cost of living is a magnet for budget-conscious tourists, offering a range of accommodation and dining options to suit all pockets. Goa's rich cultural tapestry is woven with colorful festivals, vibrant music, and delicious cuisine, showcasing the harmonious blend of traditions that make it a unique destination where affordability meets cultural diversity. Europe. 1. Albania's Ksamil Beach. Ksamil Beach, often dubbed the Ionian Pearl, is a stunning coastal paradise tucked away in Albania. This hidden gem enchants visitors with its mesmerizing turquoise waters and pristine white sandy beaches, reminiscent of its more renowned Mediterranean neighbors. What sets Ksamil apart is its affordability, offering a budget-friendly alternative to neighboring destinations. Travelers can bask in the sun, explore nearby islands, and savor delicious seafood at a fraction of the cost, all while relishing the unspoiled beauty and tranquility that make Ksamil Beach a true treasure of the Ionian Sea. 2. Portugal's Algarve region. The Algarve, renowned for its breathtaking cliffs, pristine golden beaches, and abundant seafood, stands out as a budget-friendly gem among European beach destinations. Its scenic coastal landscapes rival those of pricier counterparts, showcasing dramatic rock formations and crystal-clear waters. Travelers can relish in the region's rich seafood offerings at affordable prices, while exploring charming towns, historic sites, and vibrant nightlife. The Algarve seamlessly combines affordability with natural beauty, offering a diverse range of activities. Americas. 1. Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The Yucatan Peninsula is a treasure trove of cultural wonders and natural beauty. From the awe-inspiring Mayan ruins to the enchanting cenotes hidden within lush jungles, this region offers travelers an affordable opportunity to immerse themselves in history and adventure. Tulum and Playa del Carmen boast vibrant beaches, where azure waters meet soft white sands, perfect for relaxation. 2. Nicaragua's San Juan del Sur. This charming coastal town is renowned not just for its picturesque beaches, but also for its vibrant surf culture and bustling nightlife. What sets it apart is its affordability, making it an ideal choice for travelers on a budget. Visitors can enjoy comfortable accommodations without breaking the bank and savor delicious, budget-friendly cuisine. Whether you're a beach lover, a surf enthusiast, or simply seeking an affordable getaway with lively entertainment, this coastal gem offers an alluring and economical travel experience. Africa. 1. Morocco's Essaouira. Essaouira, with its ancient fortified walls, provides a captivating backdrop for travelers seeking a harmonious blend of culture and beachfront serenity. The city's historic Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts vibrant markets where visitors can immerse themselves in Moroccan traditions without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the windy beaches offer an ideal escape for windsurfing enthusiasts or those simply looking to unwind by the sea. 2. South Africa's Eastern Cape beaches. The Eastern Cape's wild coast boasts some of the world's most breathtaking and secluded beaches, making it an idyllic yet affordable destination. Visitors can relish in the untouched beauty of pristine shores while enjoying budget-friendly accommodations and activities. The region also offers incredible opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts, with chances to spot diverse animal species. Surfing enthusiasts can ride the waves along this unspoiled coastline, while hikers can explore its rugged terrain. Tips for budget beach travel in 2024. To make the most of these affordable beach destinations, consider the following tips. 1. Travel off-peak. Prices for flights and accommodations drop significantly outside of the peak season, offering the same beautiful destinations at a fraction of the cost. 2. Local dining. Opt for local eateries over tourist traps. Not only is it cheaper, but it also offers a more authentic taste of the local cuisine. 3. Public transportation. Embrace local modes of transportation for an inexpensive and authentic experience. 4. Accommodation deals. Look for accommodations outside the main tourist areas, or consider hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals for better deals. Whether you're lounging on the sandy shores of Fuqua, exploring the historical sites of Essaouira, or surfing the waves in San Juan del Sur, the world's beaches await with open arms and unmatched affordability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Budget Success for more travel tips. And stay tuned for our next video, Health and Happiness, Top Wellness Cities to Live in 2024.